I welcome you all in this hands-on IoT training. My name is Pawan. We are going to learn some basic IoT concepts and some practical sessions on the simulators and actual hardwares like Arduino ESP32, and we will use different kinds of sensors and microcontrollers to learn the practically IoT and communication between the hardwares. So we will start with some basic topics. Like first we will see the introduction of IoT, then we will learn some concepts of IoT, like what the different layers in the IoT and all. Then we will install and set up some tools and software which will help us to do the practicals. And after that we will see little bit of introduction about the Arduino. Then we will do some practical on simulators in which we will make projects on Arduino and ESP32. Then we will understand the Arduino programming, like how we can start coding on the microcontrollers with the Arduino board and ESP32. Then we will cover some examples of sensors and microcontrollers, and we will also study a little bit about the microcontrollers and its configurations and specifications for the both ESP8266 and ESP32, and as well as Arduino board. Then we will start run the example on Arduino board and ESP32. We will start with the basic program to blink LED, and on the same pipeline we will complete other examples like to read the analog sensors and digital inputs, serial communication, and other communication protocols like I2C, SPI. Then we will start the wireless communication protocols, and first we will understand its basic and types. Then we will do some practicals on Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GSM. We will study some protocols like HTTP, MQTT, WebSocket, and we will see some examples of radio frequency communication like Zigbee. And then we interface SD card with our microcontroller, and after that we will dive deep into the few more examples. So this is